Now here's my another new addition. Of course, it's a Transit Connect. It's a 2014. Got about 80,000 miles on it. Um, Totaled out for that, and primary damage was flood. There's a water line. So we'll see what's flooded in here and what's not. I already took the tape off. I had the tape taped off for the water to evaporate. So here it is inside. Let's take a look. Was there any water in here? It's really dirty for 80,000 miles, and a lot of hair, either cats or dogs or something was in here. Let's see the floor mats. It's dry there. Down in the little hole, might have had a little bit of water, but I don't see any. OBD reader plug. It's clean. The steering shaft is got a little bit of rust on the bottom, but carpet is dry in the back. All that is dry. So I don't see any water lines here, other than it's been really dirty. I don't see any standing water or any water at all. Let's check the passenger side. There's a little compartment here in the bottom. No, it's dry. So that's dry. Some chicken nuggets. Okay. Yeah, so really dirty with all that hair. So no signs of water on this side. The door, I can't get it open all the way. Let's see. Nope. But there's a little bit of kind of mold over there, but that could be from a little bit over here. That could be just from the water coming in when they had it opened, because they had a vent in on this side as well. Also, there's a little bit of damage here, another ding over here, a dent over there, and this piece. And on the back, there's also a few little dings and dents in the back. So in the front here, all need a new fender, bumper. Headlight is still good. The radiator support is cracked right here, but we'll see how much of it is actually cracked or how badly it is, if I could fix it, or we'll need to replace it. Tires, like always, not in the best shape, and they're how old are these suckers? It's probably on the other side. So let's see, underneath they ripped off the engine cover, and let's take a look. See the oil, since it was flood. car. Let's see if you got any oil in, water in the oil. No. Interesting. It's completely dry. Don't really see any water in here. Let's check the intake. So the filter is, there's the filter. Looks brand new. Yeah, nice and dry. Intake box is all nice and clean. The battery looks like it's recently changed. Nope, no corrosion, nothing in there. The fuse box is clean. So no oil. Let's check underneath, see if any signs of. Oh, let's see here. No, I saw that oil drip a second ago. Interesting. The oil pan is oily. And this looks like a little crack right there. So, did it run into something? Ran over something? That looks like a good possibility. Yeah, then that's why there's this damage. Must have run over a rock. See, fog lights are clean. This one has a little bit of residue in it, but that'd be why. Interesting. This side is, well, I was about to say pretty clean, but there's also a little bit dings and dents right here. Yeah, so yeah, pretty dirty for 80,000 miles. Oh, right there. Yeah, 80,000. Let's get the key for it and see what comes up on the dashboard. Okay, let's see what stays on and what goes away. Oh, look at that, the airbag light is off. Usually when the water gets in, the airbag light stays on because the water gets in the module. This gets off, so I don't want to turn it over because there's no oil in it. So we gotta get a oil pan to replace it and go from there. Let's see this side. Nope, all dry. Any goodies in here? Nope. No, nothing good. Or up here. Anything up here? Nope. No treasures. So, got a nice roof rack, and on this one, I got the keys for it. Because on mine, I don't have the keys. I have to get to a locksmith or the dealer and order some keys for mine. Now, why would you put a screw in there? Look at that. Handiwork. Never seen that before. Look at that. Oh boy. People got imagination. Well, thumbs up for that. Yeah, so that's about it. Turns out a flood vehicle that has no flood damage except oil pan damage and just the outside damage, cosmetic damage. Even though the water line is so high. But that's when I was bidding on it. I saw that the cluster was on and there was no airbag light on it. So I kind of was expecting that the water was either very low or they just marked it water line there because of all the dirt on the side. Because he might have got into some kind of mud puddle. Because all this is. Yeah. Ah, that's everything's clean there. I don't see any. Other than him getting some kind of mud, I don't see any water damage. Or that it has been in some water. So most likely it's been just mislabeled. And compared to other ones, this was a pretty good deal. The winning bid was almost half of this one. This one ran into the water, sucked up the air, or sucked up the water through the intake, and had water in the motor. But already put 300 or so miles on it and been driving good. So, and this is with a third of its miles and for half the price. Oh, so yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with the purchase. Well, thank you for watching. Till next one.